Hey God, please help me. Please save my life. I am in danger, God. God, today I will die, God. Please help me, God. Today I will die, God. Please help me, God. Please. I try my best in my tuta-futa English. Hey God, please save me. I try to English. Keep talking you. My name is Tokai. I am 5-year-old girl. I am so beautiful. I am well educated, good looking. But God, I know that I know English good, but I not understood my no. One word. The meaning of apology. আচ্ছা, অ্যাপোলজি মানেটা ঠিক কি? আমি তো সেটা বুঝতেই পারছি না। ও সরি। Today I say in English, but my mistake in Bengali.